Have you always wanted to go for an African look, that Afro-African look, and your hair is not full enough to do that? Then this video is for you. Sit back, relax, and also click on that subscribe button to see how to achieve this African look. Welcome back, guys. So first thing first is to get your wig cap and pin it down on the head of your mannequin. You can use any wig cap of your choice, and for the extension I'll be using Darling Kinky. Now you can get any kinky of your choice that you feel that is closest to your hair texture, to that African hair texture that you are going for. Go ahead to take one bunch and remove the tip. Now the reason why I'm cutting off the tip is for easy access, so that you can easily separate the hair and avoid much tangles. For this, I'm starting at the back, and for the back I'm doing cotton 3 because I don't want it to be long. I want it to just give me that natural Afro look. So for the back I'm using cotton 3. I don't know if that is what it's called, cotton 3, but it's one long chunk of hair. I go ahead and have 2 cuts instead. So taking some of the hair, I go ahead to use my crochet pin and start crocheting from the back. Now remember, I said the ones at the back I use cotton 3, but moving on ahead I use cotton 2. Now the reason why I'm using cotton 3 at the back is because I don't want it to be very long. I want it to just be like 8 inches on the back of my hair. Because I want it to look as natural as possible. I don't want it to look too extra, but I want it to be look as natural as possible. Go ahead and crochet it up until this is also the second bunch, and I'm still going to use the cotton 3. I used only 2 bunch for the cotton 3, and the rest of the hair I used cotton 2. I did a cotton 2 because where I need the cotton 3 is just at the back to level up the length and size. Now this hair, what I'm going for is, like I said earlier, a natural look. So I tried in any way that I can to make it as natural as possible. Now for this part now is cotton 2. As you can see, it's very obvious that the ones from this point is longer than the ones at the back. So those ones are cotton 2. Remember, please, if you've gotten to this extent, do well to click on that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Now the hair, I got it for like 1,100 naira. Yes, that's what the price I got it for. So like I said, it's something that you can make without breaking your bank. And yes, it can last as much as you need, because it depends on how you are going to treat it. I recommend you use leave-in conditioner and water when you feel it's become too tacky or too together. If you want to soften it a bit, you can use leave-in conditioner and then water. Mix 20% of leave-in conditioner and then 80% of water, then spray it on the hair. Go ahead and use your hands, your fingers is enough. Don't use comb or anything, because if you use comb you might lose the small curl patterns that gives you the natural African look. So this is it, guys. After crocheting it in the wig cap, I go ahead to trim off excesses, as you can see me do now, and then I go ahead to wear it, and this is what I've got. Now switching up the look a bit, I go ahead to put a rose somewhere, and this is it, guys. It's looking as natural as I want it to. My hair can do this, but if you feel that if you want to go for an African look and your hair is not as full as you want it to, you can always make this. You can wear this out, you can wear it anyway. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.